Meli hii niliipandia India. Kazi yangu ilikuwa kuwafunza kuhusu our cultures, lugha yetu, utamaduni wetu, vipi kuvaa tukiwa Mombasa. Niliwagusia kuhusu Ramadhan, chakula food that they will get, wakati ambao watapata kwenda kula, restaurants, our language, our dances, our people, our heritage, our wildlife, our technology, because our country is way more than the safaris.
And for the next 6 days, they will be going around in Mombasa, visiting for Jesus, markets, shops, areas, and this means jobs for the markets, means jobs for the people that are taking them round. It means market for the transport sector. So it's an important economic opportunity for the county of Mombasa.
Lani, I am so excited to be in Kenya, and we obviously had a very warm welcome, which is so cool to see the culture, and I'm just very excited to be immersed in it. We are going to Savo East to do a safari, and then Diane Beach, and we'll hopefully go swim with some whale sharks. Tomorrow I'm going to a cultural center to learn about public speaking and just the culture, so I'm very excited to be immersed in it.